Hello viewers, and welcome to Complete Attire with another amazing fashion video to help you dress better every day. Today, we will see the best dressing for your body type. Whether your dress code is casual, professional, or somewhere in the middle, this video will help translate the trends so they're just right for your body shape. Finding outfits that flatter your figure is about to become a lot easier. Let's see how to find the best outfit for your body shape. Apple-shaped body. For apple-shaped body, try pant sets or skirt sets. This will make your bust and hip flatter enough to give you a beautiful look. Pear-shaped body. Accept your body type. Look for wide leg pants, grab an A-line dress, and get an embellished top. Additionally, pay attention to jackets that fit well at the chest and bodice and slightly flare out at the hips. Petite body shape. Petite body shape have a big advantage to wear flowy dresses. You might define your ensembles by selecting clothing pieces that tend to be in lighter tones. Dark hues obscure your contour and slim down the physique. Hourglass body. If you have hourglass body, choose well-fitted clothes that flatter your figure. Maintain a proportional silhouette by drawing the eye to the waist at all times and avoid ruffles, voluminous shapes, and excessive pleating. If you want more style tips or need to add some items for your body shape, visit Complete Attire's website. Or you can sell your outfits with Complete Attire, which will not only give you wide recognition, but a remarkable business push. See the link in description for more detail.